Hello, beauty lovers. It's Renee here, and today we're talking about a common skin concern: dehydrated skin. Dehydrated skin is all about lacking water, not oil, and it can happen to any skin type, even oily or combination. If your skin feels tight, looks dull, or shows more fine lines than usual, don't worry, I've got you covered. Step 1. Start with a gentle hydrating cleanser. Choose something creamy or gel-based that won't strip your skin's natural moisture. Look for ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, or oat extract to clean without drying out your skin. Next, let's talk serums, the key to getting deep hydration. Start with a hyaluronic acid serum and apply it to damp skin to help lock in moisture. Try a serum that's packed with hydrating ingredients to keep your skin feeling plump and fresh. Masks are also a great way to boost hydration. Try a sheet mask soaked in hyaluronic acid and aloe vera for an instant moisture boost. Or use a sleeping mask with green tea to hydrate your skin overnight. Don't forget your moisturizer. Select one that helps seal in moisture and protect your skin's barrier. Lastly, keep a hydrating mist with you throughout the day to refresh your skin whenever it needs it. And that's it. A simple routine to quench your skin's thirst and get back that glowing complexion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips with me. Until next time, hydrate and glow.